crab stitch or reverse single crochet is single crochet that's worked in the opposite direction than normal single crochet. In normal single crochet, right-handers work from the right to the left and left-handers work from the left to the right. A regular single crochet is go in, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2, going in the direction, in the normal direction. But for reverse single crochet, you're going to be working in the other direction. So when I finish my regular single crochet row, I'm going to chain 1 but not turn, because I'm going to be working back in this direction. Here's how I do that. I need to hold on to the stitch, the chain stitch that's on my hook right now, because it's going to want to pop off. I'm going to go back in the other direction and insert my hook into that first stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Now, that first stitch is really kind of weird looking. It's going to become better looking as I work back across, and you'll see sort of a cord develop. So again, I have to really hold on to the stitch that's on my hook to go back in the other direction. I'm working under 2 loops there. Go in, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Hold on to that stitch, go in, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 2. It gets easier as you get away from that first stitch. As you work, you'll notice a nice corded edging happening here. You see, it's sort of a rolled edging. It's very decorative. Typically, you can't work into these reverse single crochet or crab stitch stitches. So if you wanted to keep going and have this as a decorative element, you would want to work that stitch just into the front loop so that you would have a back loop left to work more stitches and continue working here. My reverse single crochet creates a nice rounded edge. It makes a good decorative edge on any piece of crochet. If you'd like more crochet instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for other ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.